What if the dirtiest parts of your car are the ones you can't even see? Hidden dust, sticky vents, annoying, right? Today, I'll show you how the best car cleaning gel slime fixes that in seconds. Welcome back. Stick around, and grab yours easily through the links in the description below. Product number 1. Putty Car Cleaning Gel. Dust hides where your fingers can't reach, and that's exactly where your car starts to feel old. You notice it in vents, buttons, cup holders. Tiny debris that refuses to leave. Traditional cloths? They just push it deeper. That's where the Putty Car Cleaning Gel changes the game. Soft, flexible, oddly satisfying. Press it into tight spaces, and watch grime lift away. This isn't just another gimmick. It behaves like a practical version of the best car cleaning gel slime people keep searching for. It molds, grips, and pulls dust without leaving residue. 2-pack means longer use. Reusable, until it darkens. But it's not perfect. It struggles with wet spills. And overusing it on rough surfaces reduces lifespan. Compared to cheaper slime alternatives, this feels thicker, less sticky on hands, more controlled. Who's it for? Detail lovers. Daily drivers. Anyone tired of hidden dust. Because sometimes, the smallest clean makes your car feel brand new again. Product number 2, Color Coral Car Cleaning Gel Reusable. Dust inside your car is more stubborn than most people realize. It hides in vents, buttons, and seams you can't even reach. That's where the Color Coral Car Cleaning Gel 4-pack quietly changes the game. First touch, soft, stretchy, oddly satisfying. Press it into air vents. Pull it away. And watch dust disappear. No mess. No effort. This isn't just another gadget. It's what people look for when searching for the best car cleaning gel slime, something simple that actually works in tight spaces. 4 different fragrances keep things fresh. And yes, it works beyond cars, keyboards, consoles, cup holders. But let's be real. It's not magic. Overuse can make it lose grip, and very heavy dirt still needs a wipe first. Compared to cheaper gels, this one feels less sticky and more controlled, less frustration, more results. Perfect for drivers who care about clean interiors without wasting time. Because once you see what it pulls out, you won't ignore those hidden corners again. Product number 3, Click Clean Cleaning Gel for Car. Dust hides where pride lives, deep in vents, seams, and the quiet corners of your car. You wipe. It stays. You vacuum. It laughs back. That's the frustration most drivers face before discovering the Click Clean Cleaning Gel. This soft detailing putty presses into tight gaps, air vents, buttons, cup holders, and lifts dirt like it's pulling secrets out of hiding. No harsh tools. No scratches. Just a satisfying peel-away clean that feels oddly addictive. It's not just for cars. Keyboards, laptops, even remote controls suddenly feel fresh again. That's where this best car cleaning gel slime category shines. Versatility meets precision. Compared to cheaper gel options, this one holds together better and doesn't leave sticky residue behind. Still, it can lose effectiveness if overused on very dirty surfaces, so light, regular cleaning works best. Perfect for detail lovers, daily drivers, and anyone tired of invisible grime. Because sometimes, a cleaner space quietly changes how everything feels. Product number 4, ASF Sky Car Cleaning Gel 4 packs. Dust hides in places your eyes can't reach, and that's exactly where your car starts to feel old. Here's the reality. Air vents, cup holders, and tight seams trap grime that cloths just smear around. That's where the ASF Sky Car Cleaning Gel, 4 packs, steps in with a strangely satisfying fix. Press it in. Lift it out. Dust gone, no struggle. This gel molds into every corner, making it a practical choice among options people search for when exploring the best car cleaning gel slime. It's not just for dashboards either. Keyboards, switches, even gear knobs, handled in seconds. What stands out? It's reusable, doesn't leave residue, and feels oddly fun to use. Downside? It loses grip after repeated heavy use, especially in very dusty cars. Compared to cheaper single-pack gels, this 4-pack offers better value and longer use. Perfect for drivers who hate detailing but love clean spaces. Because sometimes, the smallest cleanup brings the biggest sense of reset. Product number 5. Car Cleaning Gels Car Interior Cleaner Putty Slime. Dust has a way of hiding where cloths can't reach, and that's where frustration begins. You press a wipe into your car vents. Nothing. Just deeper grime. That's the real problem most drivers face. Now enter this 4-pack car cleaning gel slime. Soft. Stretchy. Slightly addictive to use. It slips into tight gaps, air vents, buttons, cup holders, and lifts dust out like it was never there. Each pack comes scented, adding a subtle freshness instead of that harsh chemical smell. Small detail. Big difference. Using it feels oddly satisfying. Press, lift, done. No scrubbing. No residue. Just a cleaner interior in seconds. But it's not perfect. Overuse can reduce stickiness, and it won't replace deep cleaning tools for heavy grime. Compared to brushes, though, it reaches where bristles fail. If you hate dusty dashboards and want a quick, low-effort fix, this fits right in your glove box. Because sometimes, the smallest tool quietly transforms how your car feels every day.